Last episode on America's Next Top Model. An emotional elimination as the final 3 girls were cut to 2.
2 beautiful girls stand before me, but I only have one picture in my hands. And in that picture is the girl still in the running towards becoming America's Next Top Model. Anastasia, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm so sorry.
Tonight, we find out which of the final 2 will win the most controversial season of America's Next Top Model yet. Will it be Anastasia, the 20-year-old stylist from Reno?
I'm here to win, no matter what my competition is.
Or Tookie, the large bird from a nest in Australia?
Congratulations, Anastasia, Tookie, you are the final 2, and now we will figure out who the winner is.
So how do I have an actual chance of losing this competition to a large bird?
Tookie is exotic, unique, unconventional. She reminds me of me when I was coming up as a model.
You see no difference in you trying to be a model and a large bird from Australia being a model.
Modeling isn't about who you are or what you look like.
It's not?
No. It's about what's inside and whether you can see that in a photo. You 2 had photo shoots this week. Let's take a look at your shots. Let's go to our judges. Notable fashion photographer, Nigel Barker.
Tookie, on set, I had to hide in a bush for 5 hours before you wandered over to me to poop. You made the camera come to you. Genius.
Next, supermodel Janice Dickinson.
Tookie, what is the name of your plastic surgeon? Because my pussy needs to be redone and I want it to look like your face.
Thank you, Janice, for those words. Ladies, I know you 2 can take a fierce photo, but I want you to tell me what this competition has done for you.
Are we going to see my photo?
No. I want to know your story so you can make me cry.
Before I started this competition, I've always felt like an ugly duckling.
Oh, you 2 have so much in common.
But now, I feel pretty and strong in myself.
Tookie, you have been called every book in the word in the book. Bird, large bird, hybrid, that. But I have never seen it get to you. How do you do it? Can we get Tookie back here? Tookie, I am so impressed with how hungry you are to win this competition. Oh, ew, Tookie just threw up. She's purging. Oh my God, it is a cry for help.
Tookie, I have an excellent doctor who deals with eating disorders and also does plastic surgery. Clearly not as good as yours does.
Who are they? Are these her kids?
Tookie, you're also a single mother.
Okay, alright. Tookie eating off the floor, throwing up, and then having her spawn come out and eat it should not make her the winner of America's Next Top Model.
Anastasia, modeling is about all those things.
It is?
Yes, I did the same things when I was breaking into the industry because of Naomi Campbell.
You did?
And now we will reveal the winner of America's Next Top Model. Wait! No! Come back! You're gonna win!
I think they're gone.
Tookie, how could you? I was rooting for you! We were all rooting for you!
So do I win?
lose that one.
No!